Keep watching for yummy quiche recipes. Add the salt to the flour. Take the cold chunks of butter and add them to the flour mixture. Using an electric beater, beat together the butter and the flour into crumbs. After 5 minutes of beating, the dough starts to crumble and it starts to look like this. When you're done with the dough, break an egg into a bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice cold water into it. Whisk together the eggs and the water until they are uniformly mixed. Now gradually add the egg mixture into your flour mixture. Use an electric beater to mix the egg mixture and the flour mixture. Add the entire egg and make dough. Now using cling film, wrap the dough into a ball. Freeze the dough for 30 minutes. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and heat them in a frying pan. Now add 2 cloves of diced garlic. Once the oil has heated, add your chicken to the frying pan. Flip the chicken so that it cooks evenly on the sides. Add salt and pepper. Add half tin of mushrooms. Stir the mixture and now add garlic powder and white pepper. At this point the chicken has released some stock. Save the stock in a bowl. Add capsicum to the pan. Stir for a few minutes and your chicken is done. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Now add 3/4 packs of the cream into your egg mixture. The cream should be chilled. Now add a quick splash of milk to your egg and cream mixture. Once you're done, add the reserved stock into your egg and cream mixture. Now whisk together the ingredients to form a smooth paste. Take your dough out of the freezer. Select a baking dish and do not grease it. Press the dough inside, poke holes with a fork. Blind bake your crust at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. It should look like this. On the baked crust, add some cheese, then your chicken filling, and then the crust and cream mixture. For 35 minutes, bake at 180 degrees Celsius. Your chicken and mushroom quiche is done. Serve it while it's hot and enjoy.